I had people tell me like, man, why are you gonna pay that money when you could just go to YouTube? But YouTube, man, you can't get this hands-on experience from YouTube, you know? So you have to just come and get it done, man. If you want to get it done the right way, so you just have to do it. My name's Nick Hendricks. I'm from Chino Hills, California.
I'm Kevin. You can call me Knowledge. I'm from Columbus, Ohio, and I came here for the rap, course.
Catherine Stovall from Lodi, California, and I am here to learn how to rap.
I've got into it because I started messing around with headlight tinting, taillight tinting, with the vinyl. So I started messing around with it, and then I started getting more into like raps, roof raps, hood raps, and it just expanded, wanting to do full raps and just trying to figure out how to learn the correct way to do it.
Yeah, actually I've been running a body shop for like 10 years, and now we're just trying to transition over to the vinyl rap business. I've just been curious about it, so yeah, I have a lot of experience in the automotive industry.
I used to do vinyl wrapping on arts and crafts projects, and then I figured out that you can actually wrap a car and wanted to do it. So I tried wrapping a boat, didn't work out too well, and I figured I needed some schooling.
Unfortunately, another place came up first. I tried that place and they didn't really teach nothing, man. Like I didn't really learn what I wanted to learn. I came across Right Look. I never been working hands-on with someone that actually teach so good, and just the way he gives you papers and notes, and he's just on it with you and making sure like every little thing you mess up on, he's there to correct you, and he just really makes sure it gets imprinted in your brain. And he does one-on-one with every group, everything. Not everybody's not just doing random stuff. Every group just learns exactly what they need to learn, man, and he just makes sure by the time you're ready to leave, you know how to do completely everything. It just gets it done, man. Like, he just does it. It's phenomenal.
The small class environment was awesome. Ruben is amazing, so informational. I love that he is so hands-on, that he is right there to help you the whole time. And the way that he explains things is just, it's nice.
I feel like if I never came here, it's some things about this vinyl rap business or vinyl rap job that I would have never figured out, you know? Yeah, having a small class means everybody get a chance to be hands-on. We're not spectators, because we didn't pay that money to be spectators. We're trying to be hands-on before we get up out of here, so yeah.
It made you more comfortable because you had somebody right next to you that didn't know what they were doing also, so you guys kind of got to help each other. So if you forgot something, they didn't, and they could help you out.
I had people tell me like, man, why are you gonna pay that money when you could just go to YouTube? But YouTube, man, you can't get this hands-on experience from YouTube, you know? So you have to just come and get it done, man. If you want to get it done the right way, so you just have to do it.
My business is vintage vinyl, and knowing what to charge, knowing how to charge, knowing how to speak to the customers and let them know what we're gonna be doing and how much things are helps a lot. So I wanna do full one-stop shop. I already work at a hot rod shop, so we do builds. I want to add in the vinyl wrapping, detailing. Eventually I want to do window tinting and the ceramic coating.
My Instagram is Artistry Raps. You guys could check me out. You could see from where I start to see where I progress, from what I've learned from you guys, from Right Look. So you'll be able to see my raps, my window tinting, see where I've just progressed from, and that's it for now.
If you want to learn anything about vinyl rap, I think this is like one of the best places you could come. It's all about your instructor, man, and they got a good one here. So moving on forward, I look forward to being an expert installer, like he would describe it, and look forward to doing custom raps. We do custom paint jobs. You can check us out on _auto_. And yeah, shout out to Right Look, shout out to Mr. Ruben, and I'm appreciative of it. And stay tuned.